today my Xbox quit working. I don't know what to do. I don't got the tools to take it apart to fix it. See? Goes off. Let's turn it straight up. Let's turn it straight up. Oh yeah, let's unplug it. Put it back. Dadgummit, dude, guys. It was working fine last night when I was watching movies. And today it's just alright. Maybe it's because I cleaned up the sensor thingy. I'm gonna try that and see. I'm gonna wipe it off. Maybe it's reading my finger again. Maybe it's probably, that's the reason why it's cutting off. Nope, it's not that. I used a towel. Watch. Yeah, guys. If y'all watching this, guys, and my friends that's on the Xbox, I won't be able to talk to you until I fix it, until I figure out what the problem is. I didn't do anything to it. It just started acting like this. So yeah, guys, if you want to tell me how to fix it, tell me how to fix it, guys. So yeah, bye.